Welcome to the course tour for my epic exemplary course, SGD112, Design 1. On the announcements page, I provide a brief introductory video that allows students to see and hear me as their online instructor. Hello, and welcome to SGD112, Game Design 1. I also welcome students to the course, orient them to which Blackboard menu items should be accessed first, and encourage them to be excited and enthusiastic about the course. The message assures students that there will be consistent instructor presence and that their involvement in the design activities each week is key to the success in this course. Getting started is the landing page for the course. Here students will learn the course purpose, its structure. For example, if the course is synchronous online, students are given opportunity to access a helpful guide to Microsoft Teams. There is a course navigation, tips for success, and a reminder that when they first access the course, they should complete the course entry quiz. This will allow Module 1 folder to open up. Finally, there are links to the syllabus and student support. Faculty information allows students to get to know me a little bit. Here they can see that I'm a real person, I'm eager to help them, I have a professional background, personal background biography, when I'm available online for advising and office hours, multiple ways of communicating to me, as well as the most effective way, which is email. I also let students know that I will respond to their emails within 24 hours on these days. The Lessons menu links to the module index page. And here students will see that this course is divided into 3 modules. Each module comes with a title as well as a duration. The course that I am touring here is actually an 8-week course. So students know what happens in the first third, second third, and final third of the course. When a module link is clicked, it shows them the 3 or 4 weeks that each module contains. On the outside level, we have the student learning objectives. Inside this week, it will list the tasks with a task time or approximate time for completion, any resources such as PowerPoints, as well as links to the Dropbox for each of the assignments or activities. There is also a link to the discussion forum for the collaboration assignments, discussion help, as well as a link to the quizzes. In bold red type, I put the due dates of each assignment. In the collaboration and discussion, each collaboration assignment begins with the Netiquette guidelines. There's a description of the assignment and expectations for students for their initial post as well as for their peer responses. I include a name convention for the thread as well as due dates. Each of these collaboration assignments have a similar structure, with the only change being the description and something about how I would like for them to respond. On the assignment Dropboxes page, you will notice that there are 2 sections: the game design activity and projects. Here students are given a description of what a game design activity will require, and when this is clicked, they have access to whichever game design activity is open for that week. I use the word group as well as the color green to distinguish a group design activity from an individual colored blue design activity. Each activity has an expectations explanation, a purpose, an activity process or list of steps, and the deliverables. I also provide a naming convention so that students know how to name their assignments. Finally, if the student will click the link, they can come to a view rubric. And each assignment, as noted here, encourages the student to view the rubric. Each assignment has a specific rubric for that particular assessment. And one thing I added to this course was some instructions on using rubrics as well as a Blackboard submission. So here are 3 brief videos that students can access to learn a little bit more about how to locate, show you the importance of accessing and understanding an assignment rubric, grade point value distribution, as well as how to submit an assignment to Blackboard. I place these here so that anytime students come to the assignment Dropbox page, they have access to these videos. And the final note, I have instructor notes about assignments. These are hidden from the students, but if another teacher was teaching this course, I want to remind them about certain changes or modifications they may make. If it's a group assignment, they will have to create groups and change the assignment type under submission details to reflect that. Course resources, divided up into a policies page, the textbook PowerPoints, and some resource videos. The resource videos I'll add to throughout the semester. These are required for students to gain an understanding about specific techniques that they may need to know to be successful in the course. Textbook PowerPoints. All the PowerPoints are available to them throughout the semester so they can read ahead or review as needed. At the top of my course resources is the course syllabus. And here there's a course schedule, student planner, and course policies. The first item they see is the required software for the course, as well as a link for them to download this software with instructions on how to install it. There is a student planner, which is unique for each course. It is an Excel sheet that delivers not only what we're doing for that week, but also due dates and any holidays that may appear during that semester. There's a course grading image that breaks down in a pie chart fashion what each point value for the assessments are. There's some verbiage about the attendance policy, about submitting work, and how to submit to Blackboard. This will go nicely with the videos showing them how to submit assignments to Blackboard. How to be successful and take notes. And finally, how to use email, the discussion board postings, as well as other policies and expectations, such as academic integrity, professionalism, finally, in tools, and I will enter the student mode so that you can see that these are the tools I have accessible for students. These are the only ones that they will need during this course. The last link, of course, is the student support, outlining or offering everything that they would need for academic support, college resources, etc. And that concludes the SGD112 Design 1 course tour. Thank you.